So we're at the Grand Jomtien Palace. That sounds good, doesn't it? I think I might enjoy it here. Oh, it does look nice. Okay, so this is the room. Two wardrobe spaces there. Not too much happening there. Now the booking did say kettle, but it didn't come with a kettle, so we've just asked for a kettle. They said that we can borrow one. It comes with a small fridge, complimentary water. Okay, I was expecting a double bed, but it looks like it's two singles put together. Unfortunately, you can't see much outside because it's evening time. So there is a hairdryer there. We've got a TV. Quite a big room. Two chairs and a table, and then outside, so you've got a market down there. There's the market, so I'll probably go down there in a little while. You can see the sea over there, but you can't because it's night time. So hopefully tomorrow we'll have a better view. So, small balcony area. But enough to sit outside and even take the table out there. So that's it really. No coffee or tea making facilities really. You have to pay the top rate to get that apparently, and you get a better view, you get a sea view. I might ask to see that room to have a look. Okay, let's check out the bathroom. So, small sink and a mirror. You don't really want to see me. Toilet. Oh, okay, wasn't expecting that. Comes with a bath. Okay, so bath and shower. Okay. So per night the rate was 2,350, and that works at British pounds £55.70, and US dollars is $65.50. And then if I wanted to upgrade for a better view, but you still don't get tea and coffee making facilities, that's an extra 1,000 baht a night. And then if you wanted to go to a better view that does have tea making facilities, then that's an extra 1,500 baht a night. Good morning. So yesterday I didn't have a chance to look at the swimming pool properly because it was night time. So here we are. Let's have a look. Not bad. Not bad at all. It's actually quite nice. That's alright for little kids. Okay, not sure how deep this is. Doesn't look too deep. Actually looks quite shallow. Let's see if it gets deeper. Not bad. Not bad. Does it get deeper? Oh, okay. Looks like it gets deeper. This end. So deep, and then it gets shallow. Hey, look at this. Wow. Nice. Nice view of the beach. From here anyway. Right. Can't wait to get down there. Okay. Here we go. Front of the hotel. And then that's the beach view. Okay, now I need to check out the breakfast. So let's go and do that. That's the market from last night. Chicken sausage, pork ham, pork goulash, roasted potatoes, fried potatoes, tomato soup, we've got some juices, breakfast cereal, some toast, I think, French toast and honey, croissants, bread, toaster, fruit, and some vegetables or salads, salad items. We've got some cooked food on this side. So we've got some boiled rice with pork, according to that. We've got chicken and noodles and soya sauce. There's some vegetables in oyster sauce. We have some more steamed rice. Not sure what that is. Okay, so inside or outside? That's the question. Looks like it's inside. Okay, so you've got a coffee station there, but you've also got an egg station as well. Oh. Fried eggs, omelette. Oh, looks nice. I think I'll take one of these. Great. Of course. We could have breakfast outside. Almost on the beach. Lovely. So we're changing our room. Let's have a look. So basically it's the same room. Same bathroom. Same bath and shower. No tea making facilities. Still has a fridge with complimentary water. Same TV. So this is a double bed, and it does look like a double bed. It's not a king or anything like that. Rather than two singles that were just put together, which doesn't really work. But the difference is, which is much better, is worth getting this room. It's on the 9th floor, but that is so much better. So balcony basically the same. The view is totally different. So I'm on a different side to what it was before. I was on the other side, so I got a lovely, beautiful view. Okay, so I've got a picture of the, so I've got the side of the temple and the beach and the swimming pool, which I didn't know was there. So that looks much better, and that looks really deep. So can't wait to get down there. That looks absolutely fantastic. So well happy with that. So I didn't have this option yesterday. I don't know why, but it's an extra 300 baht, and I can have a room that's moved from the 4th floor. Actually, they increased the floor because normally it's between, standard room is between 1 and 3. They put me on the 4th floor, which is okay, but I don't think, like, from floor number 3 to floor number 4 it makes much difference. But now we're on the 9th floor. That makes a great deal of difference. And for an extra 300 baht per night, it's definitely worth it. The view is definitely worth it. Beautiful, beautiful view makes all the difference from enjoying the room to putting up with a room. So much different. Lovely. Okay, I'm gonna enjoy it. Well, hopefully I'm here for the sunset and I'm not in Pattaya or something like that. So I'm gonna go down and check out the beach, and at some point I'm gonna have to check out the pool. Oh, looking forward to that. Wow, that's a big swim. Okay, so this is their swimming pool, which looks fantastic from the room. Let's see it in person. Okay, so shallow end this side. Quite deep this end. Yeah, looks very deep. I'm up there somewhere. Sunbeds. That makes things a little bit more interesting. when you're swimming around. Nice. Very nice. You've got a shaded area if you wanted to get away from the sun. Over here. So it looks like, not sure if they still are, but they was doing sandwiches and snacks and food. I suppose that originally was the seating area for that, but maybe that's not in use by the looks of it. But I'm sure this bit is. If you want to get out of the sun for a little while. But wow, nice, beautiful. Can't wait. Okay, and the gym. Let's go and have a look at the gym. Okay, so I didn't realise they have actually another part. So this is actually on the way to the gym. Wow. Oh, this looks a bit more posh, doesn't it? Okay, got a restaurant down here. Another swimming pool. Wow. Is this the same place? Okay, maybe you have to be staying at this bit to be in there. Wow, right. It's so much better. And on the same side. But a little bit of a walk. Beautiful. So that's if you're staying at these premises. What do you call those? I'm not sure what you call those. The apartments. Oh, and that's a really posh apartment there. Okay, so if you want to spend more money, you can come and stay here. Wow. Okay, so that's a different option that I didn't know about. Nice. Very nice. Okay, I still need to find the gym. So they said it's inside the building. Okay, this is a bit strange. Looks like this is the breakfast area, which leads to the gym. Oh, it's hot in here. Maybe no one comes in here. There's no aircon on at the moment. Okay, so 2 running machines. Okay, so they have got some equipment. Not sure how reliable the equipment is. And you definitely need the aircon to work. Okay, they've got the remote there so you can switch on the aircon. Okay, so that's the gym. Okay, let's go back to the room and do some editing. Catch you again later.